So oftentimes teams struggle to reunite and to work well together, especially after working apart from each other because of COVID, right? The Harvard Business Review had this amazing article with strategies on how we can overcome that. Ziggy is going to share one of those strategies with us, which is tap into the power of nostalgia. So Ziggy, what do you have to say?
So stepping into the power of nostalgia is once again is one of those strategies where I really felt they stepped out of the box and thought about it in a different and new way. Because when somebody tells me, have your team think about nostalgia, I would immediately think, yeah, it's probably how we were before COVID or whatever, right? But what they mentioned is stuff you did together. So maybe you all prepared a meal together, and you reflect on that and the beauty of that, or you reflect on how you got through a difficult time like COVID together, and how some people were supporting others. Basically giving the team the chance to just reflect on past things that were positive, and very often these past things that were positive could indicate to them that they succeeded in the past, and they can reunite as they were in the past again, and therefore they've got that courage to really try to reunite, and that is the beauty of the power of nostalgia. It reunites us around something we've experienced before. And we've all had experiences that we can reflect on.
Definitely, thank you so much. And I think it will help build the relationship as well.
Exactly. It definitely focuses on the relationship as well. Thank you. Have fun.